Hey everyone, it's Melinda Love from Boom and Bigs TV. Today I am on the Carnival Sunshine and we are arriving in the port of Nassau, Bahamas. You guys may have seen previous videos that we've done in the Bahamas. The last time we were here, they were renovating the port. So I was excited to get back over here now that the renovations are complete to film it all for you guys. Here's what the newly renovated port area looks like. There is a museum, lots of colorful shops, and an amphitheater area. So let's get off the ship and check it out. When you first get off of your cruise ship, you will walk down a long pier. At the corner of this pier is where you will find the station to purchase tickets for the water taxi to Paradise Island. This is also where excursions that leave on a boat will depart from. If you're interested in either of those options, we do have other videos of excursions that we've done and our experience of taking the water taxi to Paradise Island. Next, you will continue walking down the pier to enter the port area. If your ship happens to dock closest to the port area, it's a great place for you to take some photos of yourself with the ship in the background. If you've ever been to this port before the renovations, you probably have experienced what we have a bunch of times, where you enter the port and everyone is asking you to buy things, take a taxi, take a tour, braid your hair in a very pushy, non-stop way. This is something this port has been known for, so much so that a lot of people choose to stay on the ship if they don't have an excursion booked. So I was really excited to get back over here now that the renovations are complete to see if that's something that has changed as well. And I'm happy to say that yes, that aspect has been toned down immensely. There are still people with signs showing you what they're offering. There is also a taxi station that you can walk up to and see the tours and prices offered there. So it was a much more relaxed experience where you don't feel bombarded, but you still see what there is to offer that you might be interested in. You will see the Bahamas Museum of Junkanoo. There is a fee for entry. Next, you will enter the shops area, which is a long stretch of beautiful colored buildings with lots of souvenirs, a braiding station, food venues, and other shopping. Walking through this area, there was a little bit of people asking if you wanted to try their product or service, but nothing as intrusive or pushy as it used to be. I filmed this video early in the morning, so not everything was open yet, but you can still get a good idea of what to expect as I walk through the rest of the port area. will notice an exit where you can walk across the street to the straw market. You may have heard people talk about that before. It's just a craft market inside. You can also get to Senior Frogs from here. There is also an exit at the beginning of the port as well. I didn't show that, but there are 2 exit entry points that I noticed. And there's Senior Frogs over to the left. This is a beautiful area to just sit and enjoy the views. This was also the dock that the excursion I took after this brought me back to. So it picked us up at the first area that you saw that was really close to the cruise ships, and it dropped us back off over here. So I thought that was very clever of them to have us have to walk back through all the shops on our way back to the cruise ship. So I have a feeling they did that so that people that booked an excursion that left on a boat would still have to walk back through the shops area, hoping they can make more money for their port by doing that. But of course, I'm just speculating. Overall, I was very impressed with the changes that they've made to this port. It almost reminded me of the shops near the Paradise Island Marina. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video or found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching.